Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix this story is unavailable on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone. Then you need to go into the app management and click on app list. From here you need to search for the Instagram. Click on that. Then you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to click on permissions and allow all permissions from here. So once you done that, you need to go back and check that, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. But if you are facing still issue, you simply need to go and open Play Store, and here you need to search for the Instagram. Click on that. You need to update Instagram application, and then you need to restart your smartphone and open story again on Instagram, and after that your issue will be resolved. So if you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We will see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.